Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gagandeep, currently pursuing cybersecurity in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's subject is Mathematics for Computer Science. Subject code is BCS301 and topic is Application of Sampling. So let's begin. Let's see the theory of application of sampling. Welcome. Today we will explore the diverse applications of sampling in theory, a fundamental concept in statistics. We will dwell into its relevance in various fields and discuss how it's used to extract meaningful insights from data. So first one is relevance in statistical analysis. In that we can see inferential statistics and hypothesis testing. In inferential statistics, sampling theory enables statisticians to make inference about large populations based on data collected from smaller samples. It's the foundation for inferential statistics, where we draw conclusions about population using sample statistics. Next, hypothesis testing. In this testing, we use sampling to gather evidence and make decisions about the validity of claims about population. By analyzing samples, we can determine if a hypothesis is supported or rejected. Next is polling and surveys. In public opinion, polling organizations use sampling theory to gather information about the opinions and attitudes of the public. They select representative samples to ensure their findings reflect the views of the broader population. Second is market research. In marketing, research uses sampling to collect data on customer preferences and behavior. They use this data to understand target audience, test new products, and assess market trends. Next is political analysis. Political surveys use sampling to predict election outcomes and gauge public sentiment towards candidates and policies. They use this information to inform campaign strategies and understand public opinion. Next is quality control and process improvement. First one is quality control. Sampling theory is essential in quality control, allowing manufacturers to assess the quality of products without inspecting every item. By analyzing samples, they can identify defects and ensure consistency. Process improvement. Sampling helps identify areas for improvement in manufacturing processes. By analyzing samples, businesses can pinpoint bottlenecks, optimize production, and enhance efficiency. Pharmacokinetic modeling. First, drug absorption. Sampling theory helps determine the rate at which drugs are absorbed into the bloodstream. By analyzing blood samples at different time points, researchers can model how drugs are absorbed and distributed throughout the body. Second is drug elimination. Sampling allows researchers to study how drugs are metabolized and eliminated from the body. By analyzing urine or other samples, they can determine the drug's half-life and predict its duration of action. Third, drug efficacy. Sampling is crucial in clinical trials to evaluate the effectiveness of new drugs. By comparing treatment groups to control groups. Researchers determine the drug's efficacy and safety. Next is environmental monitoring. In that, first is air quality. Sampling helps monitor air quality and identify pollutants. By analyzing air samples, researchers can identify sources of pollution and track changes in air quality over time. Next is water quality. Water sampling helps assess water quality and identify contaminants. By analyzing water samples, Researchers can identify sources of contamination and ensure drinking water safety. Next is soil analysis. Soil sampling helps assess soil health and identify pollutants. By analyzing soil samples, researchers can identify environmental hazards and determine the effectiveness of remediation effect. So thank you everyone. This is for today.